This skincare workshop will help you solve skin issues from within. Anyone can attend this workshop with or without skin problems. Actually, if you don't have any skin problem, you can still learn from this workshop to help you keep your mind, body, and skin healthy for the long term. I'm Sajana, and along with a licensed skincare specialist, I'm also a certified holistic nutritionist. And I believe that skincare is not only about using the product to get rid of the skincare problem, it should be a holistic approach, working on your mind and body at the same time to get the ultimate results. We learn things faster by doing than just listening. So I want to do this workshop so you can follow along with me and you can do things rather than just listening to me. So this free skincare workshop is going to be an engaging workshop that you can attend in your pajamas and be comfortable. This is a live, free, and one-time only workshop. I will give you all the details on how to save your spot in a bit, but first let me tell you what you will be learning or doing in this workshop. Here you will learn ways to be thankful and learn healthy habits of applying skincare products. 2. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine to get a glowing skin. All you need is 4 to 5 products based on your skin type, and here you will learn what are those basic products to add into your skincare routine. Third, your diet plays a major role in skin health. No matter how expensive product you use, if you don't have a knowledge of how to eat right in order to solve your skin issues, it will not work. Here you will learn about what food to add to your diet to achieve a clear skin. Last but not least, number 4. Do you have a dark circle or have dull skin without any glow? Believe it or not, your smartphone has a lot of hands on it. You may be thinking how, and I'll tell you how in the workshop and also tell you the remedies to overcome it. This is a holistic workshop to help you improve your overall mind, nutrition, and skincare routine. To save your spot, go to skincarewithsajana.com/skincare. The link is also in the description box below. This workshop is happening live on March 12th on Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You will receive the Zoom link once you register for the workshop. And again, there will be no fee to attend this workshop, but make sure to show up because this is a live and one-time only workshop. There will be no replays. When you attend this skincare workshop, you will know how to take care of yourself better, what products you will need, and you will become a smart shopper, saving you the time, money. So to save your spot, again, go to skincarewithsajana.com/skincare. We often look for a solution when the problem is unbearable, but the reality is when you know the proper way to take care of yourself from the beginning, then you don't have to face those unbearable problems later.